Ask yourself an honest question. How many times have you started a new life on a Monday? How many times have you bought a gym membership, went for 2 weeks, looked in the mirror, saw no changes, and quit? How many times have you started learning a language, but after a month, the motivation evaporated? Why do 92% of people fail their New Year's resolutions? Do you think the problem is you? Do you think you are lazy, weak-willed, or just not talented enough? I have 2 pieces of news for you. The bad news, you are approaching success the wrong way. The good news, laziness has nothing to do with it. The problem is math and expectations. You are looking for an instant result. You are looking for a quantum leap. But real success works differently. In this video, I will answer the questions that have haunted you for years. Why do small efforts seem useless? And how are great achievements actually built? We will break down the 1% rule, a mathematical concept that proves grand success is not magic, but an inevitability if you understand how exponentials work. Let's look at the cold, hard numbers. We often underestimate the importance of small improvements. We think, what's the point of reading just 5 pages a day? I won't write a book that way. What's the point of saving $1? I won't get rich. We tell ourselves, to get a big result, you need to make a massive effort. But math says otherwise. If you get just 1% better every day for 1 year, let's calculate the result. 1.01 to the power of 365 equals 37.78. By the end of the year, you will be 37 times more effective, smarter, or richer. 37 times! But there is a flip side. If you get 1% worse every day, skip a workout, eat an extra burger, waste time, then after a year, 0.99 to the power of 365 equals 0.03. You fall practically to zero. The difference between success and failure is not one big event. It is a tiny difference in daily choices. At first, the gap between success and failure is invisible, but over time, it becomes an abyss. If the math is so simple, why do we give up? Imagine an ice cube sitting on a table. The room is freezing, 25 degrees Fahrenheit. You start slowly heating the room. 26 degrees, the cube sits there. 27 degrees, no changes. You spent energy heating, but there is no result. 28 degrees. Still nothing. At this moment, most people give up. They think, I am working, I am trying, but nothing is happening. This is useless. 29, 30, 31 degrees, and suddenly 32 degrees. The ice begins to melt. What happened? The work you did from 25 to 31 degrees wasn't wasted, it was stored. This is called the plateau of latent potential, or the valley of disappointment. We expect progress to be linear, do work, get result. But progress is often exponential. Work, 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 nothing, boom, result. All your efforts were not in vain. They are simply stored until the breakthrough moment. If you quit in the valley of disappointment, you stop one step before the ice starts to melt. Surviving the valley of disappointment alone is hard. You need an environment that reminds you why you started. Subscribe to the Motivation and Money channel. We will be your compass when you no longer see the shore. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss your breakthrough moment. Another reason for failure, you focus too much on goals. I want to make $1 million. I want to lose 20 pounds. Forget about goals. Focus on the system. What is the difference? A goal is the result you want to achieve. A system is the process that leads to the result. Winners and losers have the same goals. Every athlete at the Olympics wants a gold medal, but only the one with the best training system wins. If your room is a mess and you set a goal to clean it, you will clean it once. But if you don't have the habit or system of putting things back, it will be a mess again in a week. A goal is a short-term change. A system is a long-term change. Don't try to read a book. Become a person who reads 20 minutes before bed. And here is the deepest level. Real change happens not at the level of action, or what I do, but at the level of identity, or who I am. Imagine two people refusing a cigarette. The first one says, "No thanks, I'm trying to quit." Sounds reasonable? No, he still believes he is a smoker who is trying to do something else. The second one says, "No thanks, I am not a smoker." Do you feel the difference? He changed his identity. As long as you say, "I want to become rich," your brain hears, "I am poor, but I want money." Start saying, "I am an investor. I am an athlete. I am a reader." Every action you take is a vote for your new personality. Went to the gym? You cast a vote for the athlete identity. Saved 10% of your paycheck? You cast a vote for the investor identity. You don't need to be perfect, you just need the votes for the new identity to outnumber the votes against the new identity. Success is not a race where you need to sprint at the start. Success is the boring, methodical repetition of the right actions. Don't look for a magic pill, look for a 1% improvement today. Do one push-up, read one page, save $1. Repeat tomorrow. And in a year, you won't recognize yourself in the mirror. You are the architect of your habits, and your habits are the architects of your destiny. Start building today.